and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hey kids, how would you like to draw and paint a cute little bunny? You would? Brilliant! Let's do the ears first. Long oval shapes. Then the head is a circle. Little tuft of hair. Circular eyes with some eyelashes, of course, 3 on each side. The patches, the nose, the mouth. Now for the body. Arms, tummy, tail and feet, and the pads underneath. Perfect! Darkening up the border. And ready to paint, yay! Going for a lovely pink colour for the inner ear. A cute pink and grey bunny. Grey on the outside. I love these two colours together, they look awesome. Now a light grey or silver. The centre of the face there, carefully going around the little nose and the mouth. That's it. Going for the dark grey again. On either side, going around the eyes. Gorgeous. That's it, and done. Now pink for the tongue. And a little brown nose. Back to the light grey silver colour. We're going to do the body with the arms. Either side, leaving out the middle of the paws and the tummy. Then we're going back to pink for the tummy to match the inner ears. I love this baby pink colour, don't you? And the bottom of the feet the same. Dark grey. And the tail. And we are done! There you go! How super easy was that? And how super cute! I would love to have a bunny, wouldn't you?
kids! Look, a cute little owl! Let's learn how to draw it. Start with an oval shape. Keep it equal on both sides. An owl has very big eyes, so draw 2 big round circles. Next, the feathers and ears and the pupil. Now draw a semicircle and the wings. Yes, just like that. Fill in the semicircle with wide U shapes. These are the feathers. Lastly, let's draw the feet. Let's give it a nice neat outline. Hello, Mr. Owl. Time to fill you in with some lovely colors. Color in the body with the orange color. Keep going with nice neat strokes. Did you know that the color of owl's feathers helps them blend in with the environment? Let's color the ears now, using a brown color. Color in the wings with brown too. Our drawing is turning out great! The rest of the feathers can be colored with peach. Go over the U's with peach too. This makes the features stand out. Now let's finish off with yellow for the nose. And yellow for the feet too. The owl is complete. Great job, kids! Hope you had fun drawing.
Hello, kids! Let's make a delicious and yummy cake. Let's begin. We shall make the candles for our cake first.
Draw the cream of the cake. Ooh, love that part the most. Make 2 slanting lines and join them. Make 2 curvy lines in the middle. Let's give this a nice outline. Paint the flames of the candle yellow. Doesn't cake remind you of birthdays? Paint the top of the cake yellow. It's never a bad time to eat cake either. Let's use a little bit of blue and orange for the candles. Paint the bottom part of the cake orange. We're almost there. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little green for the candle? Let's use some purple for the base. And finally, let's paint the last candle pink. And put some dots too. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. I can't wait to gobble it up.